Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Smoky Mountain RC. Guys getting ready to take up the new Fms Cessna 182. John is going to do his maiden flight on it, guys. He's thinking about getting one, maybe the blue one. He's wanting to see how it flies. It's a sweet flyer, guys. I've done a couple of flights on it, and so hopefully in the morning we'll have a dark flight of it. Yeah.
I'm gonna bring it low down the road. Slow.
Sorry, guys.
Yeah, that was not bad.
No, I hit it wrong. I turned it wrong.
Not a bad roll rate.
Yeah.
I mean, it's kind of slow, but I mean, for what it is. I mean, really, how many people have been doing crazy barrel rolls? I'm gonna flip it out of sight. That's alright. Yeah, so no change, guys.
Yeah, it's turning pretty good.
Rock solid. Push it back in the safe, fly into the thing. 21 on the timer.
Oh yeah.
I don't even make flat plane with the wind blowing like that. It is a direct crosswind now. So, since I only got a minute and a half, I'm going to bring it around one or two more times. And then after that, I'm probably just going to land it when I get the shot. There's one thing about it. You ain't got no down in the face.
Oh yeah.
This thing's the weight. I'm being kind of conservative with it because it's not mine, guys. If I had an oats in, crash my own, that'd be one thing. Man, you ain't lying, boy.
Yeah.
And it's kind of died down, guys, so it looks like we're trying to land one at the shot for land. Definitely like to go back around. I flipped them flats on. Why do they climb that much?
It's big old flaps.
Yeah.
I got 25% down elevator in it.
Dude, and these flaps, guys, are crazy looking. When you flip them down, they actually have a void between the wings and the base of the flap.
Yeah. Just do takeoff if you're gonna do flaps. So, it's only a 2200, so. Oh yeah. Sorry for the jerkiness on the camera, guys. I'm still trying to get used to this thing. It's just weird.
It is crazy, ain't it?
And you turn it, it's just, I don't know. It's
There we have it, guys. This thing is really sweet.
yeah, it's.
I think if you want to pick one up, Travis said he's going to post a link to it. So check that thing out.
Yeah, guys, there'll be a. When you go to checkout, do all capital letters SMRC, and you'll get 10% off, guys, which will bring it down to like $270, I think, depending on where you are. So, yeah, successful maiden flight, guys. Killer trainer plane, guys. And I know everybody's like, why'd you get a trainer plane? Enjoy leisurely flying, guys.
Yeah.
Just scale, laid back flying. Anyway, guys, hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget that like, share, and subscribe button, guys. It's almost at 3,000 this morning, like 6, I think, or 7. So I'd say you guys will bust that wide open. So anyway, till we do it again, stay flying and God bless. Bye.